There he is right there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my God, it's a big one. I know that fish did not just get me hung up. Nope. He's coming up. God, tell me it's a bass. God, tell me it's a bass. Oh my God, that is one big fish right there. Come on, baby. Man, I can't turn this fish. That's got to be a big old catfish. Good Lord, come on up and jump for me. Ugh. Whew. Whatever I got is big. Come on up. Oh. Gotta be a big old catfish or I snagged into something. Holy cow. Yeah, I just felt the roll. Big old catfish. Oh, he's getting me over that way. There we go. There we go. Feel like I'm deep sea fishing. I can feel it rolling. First glimpse, baby. Let me get a glimpse of you. Before you take me into this bank and just start putting the heat on you. Good night. Oh man, this fish has got some weight. Those bubbles. Oh, I see him now. That's a good flathead. Whew! I'd say at least 10 pounds, at least. I only got a small glimpse of him. Well, he has got me in tow right now. Oh God, that's way bigger than 10 pounds. That's a 30, 40 pounder. Oh my goodness. Good Lord. 5XD, how are you doing? Oh man. Oh, that catfish is huge. Oh, I mean huge. Oh, wow. Look at this dude right here. Look at this dude right here. Look at that. That's an easy 30 pounder. Yeah. Oh man. Alright. He's only got one hook. come off. Oh, I wanted to get him up and hold him. Dang. Woo! Oh man. That thing was a beast. Holy cow.